Homes purchased by foreign real estate investors took a hard hit over the past year, which is bad for new sellers. But what does that mean for your home's value? Well, Denny Grimes from Keller Williams Realty is breaking it all down for us. Now, Denny, before we get into it, a quick programming note for you. Denny Grimes does advertise on this station, but those permissions have nothing to do with his appearance on the show today. So let's get back to it. There's more to the story here that you say there is more to the story about foreign investors.
Yeah, this is really important because the report just came out that foreign investment is down 35% across the country. And if that were true in Florida, it would devastate our market. And it's not true, and I'm going to break it down for you because I don't want sellers to panic and I want agents to be educated. Number one, Florida is a bullseye for foreign investors. 20%, 1 in 5 foreign investors will come and buy in Florida, followed by California at 12%. Texas at 10%. Now, you would think that would bode negative for us because we're a big target. However, it's not because of where the foreign buyers are coming from. The two main countries where the buyers are coming from are China and Canada. And we have more Canadian buyers here than we have Chinese buyers. And so what that means is when you look at the economy of China, typically those buyers go to California. The economy in China is at best tenuous and maybe even headed for a recession. Unlike the Canadian market is basically a stable market. The dollar, the exchange rate is relatively stable, and there's still strong demand. In fact, 40% of the Canadians will choose Florida as their next location, and so that bodes well. Now, our market may be down a little bit, a point or two. However, it is not due to the foreign market. In fact, there's more probably Canadians looking right now, waiting for the right opportunity to buy than any other time before. So
what does this mean for developers? And is this it? What's the next step here?
Well, I don't want them to read the headlines and think that the sky is falling in the Florida real estate market, because it's not. It's really been more affected by the China market moving into the west coast of the United States, not Florida. Florida looks good.
And if you have a home here, what does that mean for you?
It's okay. It's still a good market. It's not to freak out because the 30% of the market is going to go away and foreigners aren't going to buy here anymore. That is not the case at all.
All right, so take a long sigh of relief. Thank you, Denny Grimes.